Ouais. Tu veux un screwdriver too?
I'm in.
For the great taste that won't fill you up and never lets you down.
Right at that.
Pliers.
Make it a Bud Light.